Today we're at Lottie J farm and we're gonna go see 5 different special types of animals. Come on, let's go check them out.
Let's go see the animals. Come on.
There's so much more to explore, so be our guest on Natale Nest.
Look at the pumpkins over there.
Orange, white, and then orange. And then that's fun.
We started with chickens and alpacas, and now we have pigs, goats, and miniature donkeys, and a play barn.
What's in there?
Mini pumpkins.
Mini pumpkins.
What's this?
That is a gourd. Gourds come in all shapes and sizes and colors.
Look how big this one is. What are these pigs?
Oh my goodness, they're so cute. What sound do pigs make?
Oink, 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 oink.
Oh.
Hi. There's one right there.
Okay, so this is how we feed the pigs. You can just take some popcorn and throw it over the fence.
Oh my goodness.
It's their favorite tree. Yeah, you can throw it through the fence. That's fine.
Good job, Theo. Look, they love it. Guys.
One more handful.
There we go.
Here we go. Good job.
Thank you for letting us feed the
You're quite welcome.
Bye, pigs.
If y'all want to stand up on our steps so
Oh,
you
look.
can get a closer look.
These are called alpacas.
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 There's 3 of them, Mom.
There's 3 of them.
We can feed them because they don't even have top teeth. They have a plate. And so when they take food from your hand, it's very soft.
They're hungry. See, there go. Oh, they're nice. So here you go, alpacas. It kind of tickles a little.
Like I want to feed too. It does kind of tickle.
Oh, that was so fun.
We get about 2 trash bags full of fiber from each alpaca.
5.
The first cut, which is from the belly all the way around the back, it's called the blanket, and that's what we send to the mill to get processed into yarn.
Okay.
Okay, boys, so this is what we're going to do. We're kind of just going to hang out here and see if Millie will come out to see us.
Hi, Millie. We're your friends. I don't know if she wants to be friends right now. Look, she's coming down. Oh my goodness.
Millie's like, I'm out of here.
Bye, Millie.
Yeah, bye, Millie.
Mom can go to the chicken one.
I think maybe we can go there.
They are.
I see one right there. The white one is my favorite. The red one's my favorite. Look at all these really cool chickens. The colors. Black, red, and white. Mine, that's him. He's a...
I don't know, it's just all of a sudden.
This is a clap. Years and years. Now let's look at the goats. They like to jump off things just like you.
That's so many, Mom.
I know. Look how many.
They don't bite either.
They don't
It's just
bite.
kind of like a little nibble, kind of like the alpacas.
She's gonna let us feed them. Right, Josiah, do you want a little? Just hold them out carefully. Good job. That's perfect. Good. See, it's fun.
Look at it.
Oh.
Season.
What is it, bud? You're doing so good, Thea. Look how many you're feeding. You look really hungry.
Believe it or not, everybody did have one.
Good.
David.
They ate it. Look, they're eating.
Don't have a
I
lot.
want to try.
Look, you see the goats? They liked that food. That was fun.
I got it.
Now let's look at those mini donkeys. Yeah, that's I heard about them. Oh my goodness. Look, he's like Theo. He's like now let's go to the playground.
Oh, look at that giant slide. I want a baby slide. I'll go on the giant slide and then the baby slide. I'll go on the baby slide. Do you want to go on the giant slide? Here's the big. We get him. So big. I'm gonna go down.
Marcus, set, go.
I'm gonna put this little truck down the giant slide. Let's go down again. Mommy, I'm on this mountain of hedge.
Oh my goodness, can you ring the bell? Look above your head. Can you ring it? Slap it. Yay, you rung the bell. Good job.
I want you to stay up there.
Look at this. They're corn boxes, not sand boxes.
Let's go down. Dun, 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 dun. Maya, down with the big box. And the thing corn box.
Like milkshake.
Scoop. Scoop, scoop. Yeah.
There it is.
Oh, nice. Slide right there. I want to try that again. Whoa, sausage. Spider. Skin.
Look at you. Can I join you?
Yeah, go to the other side.
All right, I'm coming with sis. Maybe we this would be a good spot to turn around, face this way. We can all be on the same.
Look at that giant dump truck. We can even jump. Look how much food we have. I got a dump truck. I got a dump truck. Time for the shovels. I filled it all the way up. See how much corn I can now? I'll say, Daddy, guess what we did today? We went to a farm and saw all some animals. Wow! This was this giant whoa.
Back it up and dump it on your side. Your side, lay down. We had so much fun today at Lottie J Farm. It's located in the heart of Bedford. You have the beautiful Blue Ridge Mountains as the backdrop. The kids had so much fun and we definitely recommend it.
Thank you, Miss Polly.
You're welcome. Thanks for coming.
Thanks for watching, but alligator.
Bye!
See you later.